Hello, my name is Ilean Her, and I'm here today to ask for your support and for your vote for Senator Foung Her for East Side of St. Paul. I've known Senator Her for many years, and I've seen him work and be very effective in the Minnesota Senate. He works for the people. He works not just for Hmong, but for everyone, so that they can have better lives, better opportunities. In the past year, Senator Her has done a lot, but I'll just focus on three things. One, he's really been a voice and a leader for economic development and capital investment of the east side of St. Paul. As you can see by the road and the infrastructure, he's spent a lot of time and attention on the needs of St. Paul. Second, he's been a leading voice for education and equality and reducing the achievement gap for Asian American students, particularly refugee, Hmong, Lao, Karen, new arrivals in America. He's been really focusing on them and their needs. And then the third has really been on the COVID recovery economic funds. I think he's been a leading voice to advocate for small businesses and to really say that during this time they've suffered a lot and that they need assistance and they need help. And so he's been a leading voice on getting them the help that they need. So I really ask Hmong community members to please go out and please vote November 3rd for Senator Foung Her.